Hey everyone, this is Reed. I'm a product manager building Meadow Mentor, your personal chef for gut health. Chef K is no longer a chatty mentor. Now, she's a capable personal chef that can manage the boring and complicated parts of using a therapeutic diet. She does this by accessing your health data, AI reasoning, and tools. Let's see how all of that works in action. So I've already prepared a request to add a few ingredients to my shopping list. So let's check out the shopping list. It is completely empty. There's nothing in there. I could even manually add the ingredients if I wanted to, but let's say I'm not feeling well, I'm tired, and I don't want to do it. So what I'm going to do is, this is the chat interface. I'm going to paste in my message. So that says add eggs, milk, bread, and bananas to my shopping list. So now I'm going to send that. Zoom out. So what Kay is doing is Kay is reading my health data, and let's see what she says. I'm happy to help you get organized, adding items to your shopping list. Before I add, I need to check on a couple things to make sure they are aligned with your SCD and dairy-free diet. So milk, standard fluid milk is not allowed on SCD due to lactose. So this is Kay looking out for me and making sure that I'm safe with what I'm eating in my diet. So she then asked, did you mean an SCD aligned alternative like almond milk or coconut milk? So asking for clarification. So again, with bread, grains and starches are not allowed on SCD. Did you mean SCD aligned bread made with nut flours or something else? So asking for clarification, just making sure I'm safe. So let me update this, and I'm going to say, um, forget the bread, but I want almond milk. Okay, so I'm going to send that. Zoom out. Okay, so because this is using an AI feature, there's a credit system. So I'm going to say yes, spend the 1 credit to use the AI feature. And then it says added 3 ingredients to your shopping list: eggs, almond milk, bananas. So let's go to the shopping list, and there they are. So this is incredibly cool. I'm really excited about the combination of using someone's health data, the AI reasoning capabilities, and tools in order for Chef K to be that personal chef that looks out for the person on their therapeutic diet. I think my video game design background and systems thinking and emergent gameplay is really powerful, and I've got so many more tools that I want to do. I already have more tools implemented, such as searching for saved recipes, creating and editing recipes, and I'm really excited to just continue to add more tools to Chef K and discover more emergent behaviors. And I do believe this will be a magical experience for people looking for help with their therapeutic diet and gut health management.